Perfect for laying in here. Someone walking by though, they might know. Beautiful morning for sailing though. Look at that beautiful sunrise. Sometimes you just have to leave the shore just to see what you're capable of. So it just came to me, I'm like, I got another sailing trip. Yeah, kind of nervous, I haven't done one this big yet. There's my kit. Got water bottle, my tent, sleeping bag, my wallet, and a water purifier so I can just drink the lake water. Hoping it's in here. But beautiful weather, beautiful boat. We're ready to hit the high seas. Probably going about 5 knots, I'd say. With the wind, got the sail fully sheeted out. Going on a bit of an angle to the wind, not straight downwind. So yeah, just cruising. There's Point Clark in the background. There's the lighthouse. So yeah, but it's been good sailing. The wind picked up probably a couple hours ago and I've been just cruising downwind. Yeah, so I'm just enjoying it. Happy that sun's not so strong anymore too. Just made it to Kincardine. A lot of people on the beach here though, so I gotta keep it low key, make it not look like I'm camping here. Found this nice little bush here. I got some protection so people can't really see me in here. There's bush here and I pulled up my boat here. So it's like a little barricade, and then right here I'm gonna make this all flat. And then I'm gonna sleep right under this bush. Here's the spot. So I just flattened her out. Flattened her out. That's nice and perfect. If they're walking by, I don't think they'd really notice. I might even put some branches on top of me just to camouflage myself a bit more. Yeah, this is fun. Kind of feel like a little bit of a mix between a hobo and a sailor and survivor, man. Oh, it's fun though. Yeah, I just woke up and kept tossing and turning, and then I seen the moon was out, and it's like super bright out, so I'm thinking get back on the sailboat and do some sailing with the full moon. Could make some good ground before the sun comes up. Camping spot. Camping spot is pretty mint. Worked good. It's actually, it's almost like 6 in the morning. So I think I'm gonna hit the water here. Check and see what Wendy's saying for wind. Ooh, Sunday. Got some good wind today. Upwind now. I took it for granted yesterday going downwind. It was so easy just sitting in the center console like this, but now I gotta really hike and put my foot in the strap and lean over, so it's a lot more work. I got a sailboat behind me following me, probably about a couple kilometers back. Made it to the bottom of the 86 highway, just past Point Clark here, so I'm gonna go up the road now and hopefully there's some apples on this apple tree. Nice, we got some apples. We got some apples. Look at that. Let's skedaddle. Let's get back on the high seas. One more apple. Now this is chill sailing. Very light now. Not about the destination, it's about the journey and what the journey gives you. So that's why I do these excursions, that's why I do these adventures, is to put myself out of my normal way of life, put myself in risk, put myself in these, uncomfortable situations. And that's what makes you truly grow. That's what shows you what you're capable of. That's what gives you confidence to tackle life's challenges. We're pulling her in. It's a good tour, very good tour. And every single time I step out of my comfort zone, I come back with a little bit more strength.